Convert time date into numeric, then numeric value into date using number formatting from the Home tab. Convert date to number by selecting the dates, click the Home tab on the ribbon, then click the drop-down on the number group, then select number. You can remove the fraction by clicking the decrease decimal icon in the number group. Convert number to date, by clicking the drop-down in the number group and selecting short date. Extract day, month, and year from date using date functions. Extract month from date by clicking the target cell, type equals month plus parenthesis, select date, close parenthesis, and hit enter. Extract day from date by clicking the target cell, type equals day plus parenthesis, select date, close parenthesis, and hit enter. Extract year from date by clicking the target cell, type equals year plus parenthesis, select date, close parenthesis, and hit enter. Create date from month, day, and year values. Create date by clicking target cell and typing equals date, open parenthesis, select year, select month, then select day. Close by hitting enter key. Create weekday labels from dates, includes 3-character and full weekday name. Create 3-character weekday by selecting target cell, typing equals text, open parenthesis, select date, type comma followed by quotes, DDD, close quotes, then hit enter. Create full weekday by selecting target cell, typing equals text, open parenthesis, select date, type comma followed by quotes, DDDD, close quotes, then hit enter. Create month labels from dates, includes 3-character and full month name. Create 3-character month by selecting target cell, typing equals text, open parenthesis, select date, type comma followed by quotes, close quotes, then hit enter. Create full month name by selecting target cell, typing equals text, open parenthesis, select date, type comma followed by quotes, close quotes, then hit enter. Formatting dates using the number format box on the Home tab. Formatting date by clicking Home on the ribbon, click Handle on Number Group box, select Date, followed by desired format, click OK. Date Arithmetic includes date addition and subtraction. Date subtraction, select target cell and enter the formula, type equals, select date 1, minus date 2, then hit enter. This is the wrong format. I want to see number of days. I select the Format Number dialog box from the number group, then click Number, enter 0 decimal places, followed by OK. Next, I'll add 4 days to an existing date. Select target cell and type equals, followed by selecting a date, plus 4, then enter.